guys, good morning. Today is our Universal Studios day and it is drizzling and it's cold. So I have my teddy jacket on. I also have my Harry Potter shirt on. Platform 9 3/4. Oh, Mitch was very proud about his umbrella. That's cool. I thought it was bigger, but that's probably a good size.
This gangster son.
We just got to Universal. We're gonna go.
Oh,
oh, donuts are that way.
Nah, we should hit the park already. We hit the park already.
Yeah.
I can have donuts later.
Yeah.
Donuts don't rain on you.
Yeah. So I guess we're going into the park right now. But yeah, it's super like cold today. It's supposed to rain today. Hopefully not too hard. But I think we're gonna do the studio tour first since that is like the outdoor one. So in we go. Abigail, photo ready, honey girl. Hi.
You have two?
Yes.
Please come through. I'll scan in a second. If you need a map, maps are there.
Okay.
And thanks for coming.
Thank you. Oh. Alright, Abby.
Hi, she said hi.
Hold hands. Hold hands, everybody. Get five. Get five. Okay, smile, Abby. Abby, Abigail. Abby. There we go. Yay. She looks so cute. I should bust out my banana.
Pull your eyes down.
It looked like they were both doing the shotgun.
Perfect.
Hello. Oh, there we are. Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. We're going to hang out here just a little bit, get a few more guests to join us before
We might get one again.
You alright?
Coffee.
The Bones folks turned this into the Washington Metro. Right now, it looks a little more like a subway station that you might find in a city in Northern California. That felt like a little earthquake tremor. You know, we have these every once in a while. Okay. This feels more like an 8.3 earthquake on the Richter scale. Hold on to your belongings. This one, oh, big one.
There's fire there too. I know, that does kind of feel good.
On the right, watch out for your cameras. And that was a great example of a mechanical effect. Let's see what that effect looked like on
So we are off of the studio tour. We're currently going. We're currently going to the lower lot to go on Transformers and the Mummy. Jurassic Park is closed because it's gonna be Jurassic World. But it's a good thing it's closed because it's freaking cold. I even brought my hand warmers out. Like, this is my first time bringing out my hand warmers. It's so cold. Whew. But I mean, I like it, but I'm like freezing my butt off.
I didn't realize that this was in.
So we just got off the Mummy and Transformers. We got some hot coffee because it is cold and it's starting to drizzle. I just needed to warm up. He had a hot cocoa. Super sad that Jurassic Park is closed this time around. They're making it into Jurassic World. But it's okay. Because it's raining. And it's freaking cold out. Abigail! Abby! 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 Oh. Fine. Nope, he's walking away. There goes my Cruel Intentions scene with the stroller. I found Poe and Tigress. They're so cute.
There's no pictures.
If you haven't known by now, if you don't know by now, I love pandas. And I love Kung Fu. Mr. Ping, he talks. Or he responds to you. I think. I want noodles. $2 a pound. So I ended up getting a beef stir-fried noodles from Mr. Ping's Noodles. I might as well since it's Lunar New Year here. It smells good. Or did I say chicken? Oh my god. I think I said chicken. My bad. But looks good. Okay. This is better lighting. I'm gonna try my chicken stir-fry noodles. Just thick noodles too. It smells good. Just got windy. I'm gonna still fry because you're closest.
You want to try my noodles? It's a Big Mac.
Oh, that's heavy. The crusty burger. Is this the flugger as well?
Yeah.
Mine's just a regular crusty burger. Holy moly, look at this.
Go high because my dreams are high. But I can't reach that high.
You can do it, honey.
Romeo. Where art thou, Romeo? Is that what it is? He doesn't even have a fly. Oh, his Romeo, Romeo. Psh, psh. He did it again. He did it again. Let's do that next How about the other one? You want to do the other one? There's one more. It's the minions. You can ring their doorbell. Baby girl forgot her wand in the bathroom. And we were out for a while. But at least you got it. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Is it inside?
Wingardium Leviosa. Let's go. Let's go. Abby can come on here. I'm so happy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Say bye, Abigail. Say bye. Oh. Okay, come on. Let's go. Give five. It was making kissy noises. Yay, Abby!
Give it a couple more minutes.
Give five.
Stevie, you're in here too.
Oh.
Come on in.
Okay.
He's royal. There you are.
She's so mesmerized. Oh, dance off. Come on. Go. It's calling you out.
Bye.
Oh. What now? No. So currently drizzling, but I got a green tea churro with a white chocolate sauce, which I'm gonna try once I get into some shade because I am getting wet. Oh God. Excuse me.
You saw her face? Oh, damn, sassy.
I don't taste green tea.
I know there's like area for
Oh, sorry, I like your jacket.
just kind of like point it towards that thing. Yeah, so we could see it.
So I ended up getting a warm butter beer because Bevy said it was good, and I tried hers and it's really good. So I had to get my own, and plus it's like really nice and warm on my hands. So we're off to our next window to try Bev's wand. It's so cute. She's geeking out because she's had the wand for about like 3 years.
That's right, 3 years.
3 years, but she's never actually used it. The past couple times she's kind of forgotten about it and like never got to use it. So we're letting her geek out.
Even in the rain, I'm sorry guys.
It's okay. I got my butterbeer, which is so good. Who knew?
The pictures you took were good though.
Huh?
The pictures you took were good though.
Okay, good. There's still one more.
In front of that one.
So we are basically forcing Kim to ride this with us. She doesn't like roller coasters, even though this is a mini. What was this called again, Beth?
Flight of the Hippogriff.
Flight of the Hippogriff. She didn't come on the last one, so we're making her come on this time, even though it's like freezing cold. But yeah, we are going to document this.
Oh, 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 oh.
Woo! Told you. How was that, Kim?
Oh, get me off this thing.
So I know I said it's cold, but we did have to get a cold butterbeer.
The same?
No, I feel like this one's just like carbonated. Yeah, I think I like it hot better, or even like the frozen,
Say hot.
or even the frozen. Tooth splintering strong mint. What's that?
Liquid sweets. Look at how pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Felix. Oh, I think it's that potion.
Cute. Oh, look, there's more. Ooh. It's a butterbeer fudge. Look at that. Butterbeer fudge. Oh, there's cookies and cream. There's a cookie dough. Oh, there's a pumpkin cake. Pumpkin cake. Pumpkin. Like pumpkin. But yeah, look at that butterbeer. So we ended up giving in and getting some butterbeer fudge, which we're all gonna share. It looks kind of sweet, and we're all butterbeered out, I think. You want to take the first bite?
Yes.
Oh, your hands.
I know. I'm
freezing, darling.
I'm freezing.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's true. Now I'm gonna take my bite.
I'm gonna keep the box. It's pretty.
Any other flavors?
There's cookies and cream.
There's cookies and cream.
Okay, how's it? Good, sweet?
Yeah, we gotta
Yeah.
get donuts.
From Voodoo's to go. That's the thing. Oh, actually, yeah, that's the
We need there and then we can. No,
Then
you
we're
know
gonna,
what?
are we gonna do
Let's
here?
have dinner first and then eat donuts.
Okay, that sounds good.
Don't eat donuts.
Kind of
and then-
balance it out, but it's super sweet. It's super sweet. Yeah,
Okay.
I think I'm good. That's really sweet.
Marvin,
Oh, this pizza, we tried it. And we're back at Voodoo. Ooh, thank you.
The magic's in the hole. Get it?
Which hole?
Oh, you already know.
Ooh, it's so pretty. So I got a caramel matcha latte with boba. Let's see how this is. Matcha.